In this video, I'll show you how to close a trade partially in TradingView. Sometimes you don't want to close your entire position at once. Instead, you may want to lock in some profits or reduce risk by closing just part of the trade. TradingView makes this easy through the trading panel. First, look at the bottom of your TradingView screen where your open positions are displayed. Find the position you want to manage. Next to it, click the Close button. A small menu will appear with the option to perform a partial close. Select Partial Close, then enter the amount or percentage of your position you'd like to close. For example, you might close half the trade to secure some gains while leaving the other half open. Once you've entered the number, click Partially Close to confirm. The platform will immediately update, showing that your position has been reduced by the amount you chose. The remaining portion will stay open and continue to move with the market. And that's it. You've successfully closed part of your position while keeping the rest running. This is a great risk management tool for active traders. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more TradingView guides.